Oil pressure and temperatures in the green. Airspeed's alive. We're about to take off inside of a flying box fort. 60 knots. I'm so scared.
Today we are going to be building a box fort inside of an airplane. We're here with Sean, aka 70s Man. And if you didn't know, he's actually a pilot.
This is the baggage area. This is a pretty roomy airplane inside. Weight limit for the back, so probably just one person at a time in the back.
Okay, what are you trying to say? But this is the back seat?
Mm-hmm.
Ah. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna take these cardboard boxes and we're gonna transform the inside so it looks like a box fort, and then we're gonna go fly around. We're gonna go to a different airport, land with our box fort, maybe get some food. I don't know, but this is gonna be fun. Is this the first ever flying box fort?
As far as I know.
I've not seen this before.
We're aviation pioneers on this channel.
All right, Sean is gonna start prepping our box fort. First piece is installed. Good progress.
So this is the front of the plane. This is a giant hole in the dash that we just Velcroed an iPad to. You can use it to get traffic information, so it's pretty cool.
You watch movies on it?
If you so desire.
We can do what?
They had an iPad up here.
I don't, well,
What?
I don't have any.
It's high tech. What year is this?
This is your throttle. This is the Go Juice handle. You have any questions?
We're gonna get home safely.
Yeah.
Promise?
Well, I can't promise.
It's looking pretty boxy back here. Oops.
There's this weird man tampering with my airplane.
Just doing some modifications to your flight.
Are they FAA certified?
Well, it's a prototype, so we're hoping to get certified with this video release. Back of the box fort is almost done. Just a few more cuts. How's this look, guys? This is the back, and you can access the back through this secret hatch that folds down, and boom, you can get in the trunk. Full cardboard seat cover, and the seat belts come out, so you can fly in a box fort. You know, in normal airplanes, they have the window shades that go up and down, and the pilot's like, "Hey, we're getting ready for takeoff. Can you please raise your shades or whatever?" We gotta have raisable shades. Wow. Aha! And like that, a box fort is complete. Ah. Ow! Gotta get in the box fort.
This is so funny.
I feel like a stowaway cargo or something. Anyway, Sean is gonna pull the plane out so we can start getting ready to fly. 170 pounds. I do not weigh that much, so we are good to go.
What are you doing?
I'm here. You're safe. There's more room back here than on Spirit Airlines.
That's good. I'm thinking we should try an airport that I've never been to before. So we could go to Raton, New Mexico.
New Mexico?
Yeah.
Maybe next time we can fly to Area 51 or something.
Clear prop.
Oh, buddy.
I'm so nervous.
I don't know if we said this yet, but Caleb is actually very nervous, so. Whoa! What are you doing? Ah! No! Don't do it!
It's really hot. What? There's a big fan up there. I'm gonna use it.
You guys can both hear each other. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yep, I can hear you. Com check. So we're gonna get weather information.
Yeah, Foxtrot.
Foxtrot. Foxtrot? Who's there? Foxtrot. That's information Foxtrot.
Springs Airport information, Foxtrot
I can't hear you. You gotta, your mic's gotta be real close to your mouth.
I'm basically a pilot now.
Okay, cool. Red 5 standing by.
Gold leader, this is red leader.
Gold leader, this is red leader. Almost there. Almost there. It's working. Loosen up. Too late. So are we heading out to the runway? Yes. Yes. Oh, it's a big FedEx plane. I'm actually kind of nervous as well. This is very weird flying in a big box fort. How's that cardboard seat? It's actually not bad. I have sat in many cardboard forts before, so this is nothing new. An hour in this is a piece of work. Okay. Piece of work. FAA requires that I give you guys a safety briefing. Whoa! Why did you do that?
To let my fart out.
Oh man, that is part of the pre-flight checklist. Runway 17 right, clear for takeoff 086. Raise your hand if you're nervous. 17, heels on the floor, full power. Full power! Oh! In fuel flow, manifold pressure is good. Oil pressure and temperature is in the green. Airspeed's alive. We're about to take off inside of a flying box fort. 60 knots. Please help. I'm so scared. Oh, flying! This is epic.
I'm just staring at my feet so I don't get nervous.
Why don't you look outside? It's a nice view. Yeah, Caleb.
I like the view. You do?
Okay. This is cool. I haven't done a really long cross country in a while.
I need to Foxtrot Alpha Romeo Tango at this very moment.
Oh. 10-4, proceed. Nice and smooth today, guys. You picked a good day to fly. So when does the beverage service start? I got a couple of water bottles in the back if you really want them. Aha. The operating handbook. This has got to have the meal service. That is the pilot's operating handbook for this airplane. Yeah, I'll take a number 1A, the parking brake meal. What does that consist of? Remind me. I don't know. It doesn't go into details. We will soon be reaching our cruising altitude of 8,500 feet, at which point you are free to move about the cabin. Yes! I can't wait! No hands.
Maybe let's not do that, Sean?
What, you don't want me to do this? Oh my god! Yes! I feel bad now.
I literally felt my heart jump out of my body. It is time to explore the box fort.
It is time. I'm gonna climb in the back, see if I can, because we can move about the cabin. I have so much room for activities, and here I go. Ow, it's so loud if you take your headset off. Here I go.
On Jet 57, Hotel Papa Springs, departure, radar contact, turn, left heading 100, climb maintain 16,000.
Left to 100 and up to 16,000. Yeah! We're in the back. I don't know if you can hear me. Oh well.
Denver approach, Beach Guys Sierra, November 60086, 8,600. Are you going to do a barrel roll with me in the back? No, I haven't, I've only been a passenger during a barrel roll once. Oh man.
So yeah, we're gonna fly straight, level.
It's actually pretty cozy back here. Good. But I think I'm gonna come back up. Man, I gotta roll down the window. Oh, much better. Wow.
I would just like to sit here and take this time to thank everyone for flying Air Marv. The best box flight for... the best box flight... I can't say it. The best box flight flying service in the nation.
This has been a great experience so far. I'm so glad to fly on this airline. Are you sure it's not Sean's Ribs Air? Yeah, I'm glad we're going to a different state. That'll be fun. Yeah, I've never actually flown an airplane to a different state before.
Oh! That's a bit of information. Now that we're already in the air and I can't say, oh crap.
Sean?
Yes, sir?
Either on the way there or on the way back, are we able to do the 0G test? We're not doing that in this plane, unfortunately, just because it's my airplane, it's not a rental. How many G's are we allowed to pull? Well, I'm not going to go negative G's too much, just because it could start the engine of oil. We can do positive G's, though. Yeah, positive G's are very fun.
Can we just fly like normal?
Well, just a couple positive G's, you know, the fans are wanting it. I know you guys do. We can do that, like, after we get to Raton, explore a little bit. Yeah, over and out, 10-4. What's the highest altitude you would cruise this in? I've gotten this up to 12.5. Any higher than that, and I need to start supplying oxygen to you guys. I may be interested. We are experiencing a little bit of turbulence. Only a little. Nothing to be scared about, right? Nothing to, no, absolutely
yes,
nothing.
I'm very scared.
Oh, really? Yeah. It's nothing to worry about. It's all good.
I think I pooped my pants. I repeat, I pooped my pants.
Oh, we're gonna need an emergency landing.
Attention all passengers, I have indeed pooped myself.
So we're actually crossing the border into New Mexico right now. Probably that fence line right there. So here we go. Oh yeah, I see it. We crossed it. Oh man. I gotta see out my windows. Wow. We're in a whole different state now.
Oh boy.
919, altimeter 30 feet, northern part traffic.
Everyone shoulder harness on? Roger. Put in 10 degrees of flaps. Oh shoot.
right, we made it to Raton, New Mexico. As you can see, there's a lot to do here. We're actually going to get a ride into town and see if we can find some food, maybe explore around a little bit, but let's go. This airport is actually really cool. I didn't realize they're letting us use one of their rental cars to go into town. And then the guy said he usually has complimentary burgers.
Yeah, they really take care of pilots. I mean, aviation's already expensive enough as it is, right? It's nice to not have to pay for food and cars and stuff.
That is so nice. All right, it's off to Raton.
Yeah, that. What?
The art of snacks.
You're kidding me.
The art of snacks. We've got to send it.
I didn't even wear my shirt.
What? They're closed Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
No, art of snacks.
What?
Why?
We'll have to come back.
Oh, bummer. This is actually really cool, guys. We're driving out, exploring. It feels like we're out kind of in the middle of nowhere. We basically are in the middle of nowhere. But this one sounds the best. How about sweet chocolate? Just fueled up, we're getting ready for takeoff, and then we're going to explore around from the sky. The sky's the limit, as they say in aviation.
3.5 hour flight. We're headed to Boca Raton, Florida. I don't know why I keep saying Boca Raton. Apparently I want to go there, but it's gonna be a little bumpy ride, but we'll get there safely.
Need more air. Here. Is that enough? It's just getting sweaty. Caleb, you can open your door too if you'd like. Full check. So that one goes up, that one goes down, that one goes up, that one goes down. Up, down, left, right, and free range of motion. Doors and window secure. Is your door good? And release parking brake. Before takeoff, checklist complete. Raton Cruise Field traffic, Beechcraft Sierra, November 60086, departing runway 2 to the north. Raton. You guys ready? We're ready. Got a crosswind, that's why it's pushing us a little bit. Alright, 65, rotate. Gears coming up. Flaps are up. Pucks away! Oh, we did that a long time ago.
Flight attendants, if you could please take a seat. I didn't work.
The flight attendants are flying around because you didn't tell beforehand. Yeah, I'm going in here. Oh, we're going in. Oh, fellas. Are we going in to explore Valley? Yeah. Oh, I can't hold it. You okay? If you want to, we can just head straight back. Huh? Do you want to just head straight back instead? To the Springs? Yeah. Yeah. we can do that if you're feeling uncomfortable or anything.
Just a little bit.
All right. Well, we'll go ahead and climb out then. We are officially back in Colorado, everybody. But we do have a potential slight issue up ahead. Somehow, there's a bunch of weather up ahead of us. Wasn't supposed to be there yet. So we may have to go divert somewhere else and wait it out. But that's how it goes when you're flying VFR with small airplanes like this.
2.8, altimeter 3018. Remarks, cumulonimbus, distant, southwest, west, moving.
What?
The guy said cumulonimbus.
He did. That's the. In fact, it looks like there's some rain in front of us here. I knew it. So, I knew I saw cumulonimbus.
See? Cumulonimbus.
Nope.
We have a serious issue! We have to land! The storm is getting too intense! There's so much wind!
We are literally trying to seek shelter from the storm. We got to tie down the airplane so it doesn't fly away. But I'm getting in my box fort. What?
Is she on video?
Made it back safe, guys. Thank you, Sean, for flying us. And if you guys want to go subscribe to Sean's YouTube channel, Sean Doyon, making airplane vids. So if you like this stuff, go check it out. But click up here to watch our previous video, or click down there to watch a different video. But don't forget to laugh daily. And we'll see you next time.